The final paragraph of an essay is called the conclusion. It is your last chance to leave a strong impression on the reader and reinforce the main idea of your essay. As you write your conclusion, ask yourself, what was my main idea, and how can I restate it in a fresh and memorable way? There is no single method to write a conclusion, but the following 3-step formula is a helpful guide. Step 1. Restate your thesis in a new way. Begin your conclusion by restating the main idea of your essay. Do not copy it word for word from your introduction. Instead, express the same idea using different words. For example, let's say your thesis is this. School uniforms should be required because they reduce distractions and help students focus on learning. You could restate this in the conclusion by saying, overall, school uniforms help create a more focused learning environment for students. For step 2, summarize your main points. Briefly remind the reader of the key ideas you explained in your body paragraphs. For example, uniforms reduce competition over clothing, save families money, and help students concentrate more on their education. Step 3. End with a final thought. Finish your essay with a strong final sentence that leaves the reader thinking about your topic. You could include the following: a call to action, a quote that connects to your topic, a final observation, a connection to the real world. Here's an example. When schools focus less on fashion and more on learning, everyone benefits.